Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a fun and interactive singing doll using a microbit. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the project of singing doll. So the first, we need these three pins. One is the ground pin, which is OV. Then we need the pin 2, which is we are going to connect to the LED, and the 0th pin, which we are going to fix into the buzzer. So as you can see, this is the buzzer, and which sings for the doll, and these are the two LED bulbs which we use for the eyes. Okay, so first we'll see how we're going to connect this ground pin into the breadboard. So we'll use the minus blue, which this entire line is connected. So I'll use this black cable and fix it to the minus. Okay, so now it's connected. So then from minus, also the ground pin, the connection, we have to take it to the LED. So if you can see, the LED is connected to the 6th row. So from any of these holes, we have to bridge to the 6th row. So I'll use this red wire, fix anywhere from here and fix it to the 6th row over here. So the negative side of the circuit is done for first LED. So then we have to again connect it to the pin 2, which is already fixed. So I just take it, which is already fixed to pin 2, and fix it to the other side of row 6 over here. Okay, so that circuit is completed for the first LED. So if I press this button, I'll have to fix the batteries. Yes, it's done. So if I press this button, which we have coded it, you can see it's blinking. So okay, now I want to connect the second LED, which is the other eye, to the same to the microbit, so which it will start to blink. So first from the ground or the minus blue line for the row 10, because the second LED is connected to the row 10, and from there I'll directly connect it to 6th row. So then the circuit gets completed. So then the second LED also should start to blink. Okay, now we're done with the eyes. So then you have to complete the buzzer. So the buzzer is connected to the 27th row. From the microbit side, it's connected to pin 0. So I'll connect from pin 0 to 23rd row, and from the ground again to 23rd row. Okay, so we have coded the buzzer to the other button, which when I press, it starts to sing. So now I have the face of the doll. So if I give it like this, so the doll, it's a singing doll. So you can get it in you can decorate the doll the way we want, and even you can hide this microbit in a certain way that it can be seen.